Guys, Miss Charlie here with another tutorial. I'm going to be doing a look using the new Glaminatrix Nocturnal palette. She came 3 months after pre-order. It was worth the wait, and she came a little damaged, and I posted that on Instagram, and I did repress the shades, but now she looks lovely. Let's see, it was this shade, this shade, this shade, and I believe these two here and then these two here were either cracked or broken, but I repressed them. They look absolutely fine because they're really soft, so it didn't take but a couple of drops of alcohol and just pressing them back in there, and they were just fine, and they work just fine. And I've already done a look using this, posted on Instagram, so today I'm going to do another look, a tutorial. I'm going to do this look here. Really simple cut crease, nothing difficult. So we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial using the Glaminatrix Nocturnal palette. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this smoky purple, which is called Witching Hour. And I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lid and bring it across the crease. And I'm just pressing it on. I'm not swiping or blending, just pressing it on first. And then I'm going to bring it across my crease, right above my natural crease. This is a really pretty smoky purple. Now I'm going to take the color Fog, which is like a mustardy yellow, and I'm going to blend out the edge. Stamp it on the edge of the purple and then blend. And then go back in with Witching Hour. And you just keep going back and forth until you get the blend that you want. On the brow bone, I'm just going to go in with this Lorac Single in Bone. It looks, really light on camera, but it's like a light pink, really light pink. I'm going to blend this out. To cut my crease, I'm going to use this cream shadow from Flower Beauty, and the color is in Lilac You a lot. And I'm going to use this little tiny brush, and I'm going to cut my crease using this. This makes a great base for multi-chrome and duochrome. Always put a base on underneath them because some of the oils and pigments in there can make them break down and separate and crease. So I always make sure I have some type of a base underneath them to help the longevity. You don't need much, just a little. So there's my cut crease. You can hardly see it, but it's fine. It's not like a, you know, a distinct line, but you'll see it later. So now I'm gonna go in with Milky Way, and I'm using a sponge applicator. I'm gonna go in with Milky Way, and I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. And I find that sponge applicators work well with multi-chromes and duochromes. And this one is like blue, purple, pink. It's got all kinds of colors in it. It's really pretty. And I just dip it in with the sponge applicator that is still a little moist and swipe it on. It's got some green in there. It's so pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with a brush that just to go over top a little bit, and then I'm gonna spray it and just go over the top a little bit. You can also use your finger, which I will use, just pressing it in there. And then I'm gonna just use my finger with a little bit on there to add a little bit more. This is so pretty and reflective. You can see the colors, the different colors in it. So pretty. Then we go back into Witching Hour and blend out the edge. And you will get some of the duochrome on the brush, so I wipe it off on a towel and then go back into Witching Hour, you know, to get some of that off of there, so it's not going into, you know, this part here and up here. You're gonna get some, but it's fine. But just wipe off your brush. That's what I'm doing right now, and then go back into Witching Hour so you can deepen that up and blend it. Okay, so on the bottom, I'm going to use the Urban Decay pencil in, I think this is in Rockstar. I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go over that with this color here, which is called Dusk, and it is a purple. I don't know if you can see the duochromes there. Probably not. Put it on the back of my hand. It's a purple with a little bit of a copper and pink duochrome to it. So that's what I'm going to put on the lower lash line. If you have problems with shadows staying on your lower lash line, put a liner or a cream shadow down first, and that'll help it adhere and last longer. For the inner corner, I'm going to go into the Glaminatrix U Beauty palette. And I'm going to use the color Flaming Gala, this color here, for the inner corner. And I did spray this, so I'm going to put this here. It looks white, but it has a pink reflect. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit into the Milky Way, and then a little bit down here at the bottom. Okay, so this is the look using the Glaminatrix Nocturnal palette with a little help from the U Beauty palette for the inner corner. She's a beautiful palette with dual and multi-chromes and some mattes. I had no issues with it. This is the second time I've used it. The dual chromes and multi-chromes are gorgeous. They go on just fine. As long as you spray them, you don't get as much fallout, because I do my base first before doing my eyes, and I got a little bit of fallout, but not much. But this is the look. The lip is an Anastasia lip gloss in Purple Rain. And show it to you close up here. You might be able to see the multi-chromes in the lid, which is Milky Way. And then for the inner corner, I brought in the a U Beauty palette, which is also from Glaminatrix. Beautiful palette. This is what she looks like, and I use this color here called a Flaming Gala, which is like a pink reflect with a little bit of a copper in there as well. It's so pretty. So, but most of it was using the new Nocturnal palette. I waited 3 months to get this, and yes, it did come a little bit damaged, but I pressed her back and she is good as new. So let me know if you picked this up and if you've used it and your thoughts, or if you've used Glaminatrix before. Let's start a conversation. But this is the look. Really simple, fun cut crease. Excuse my voice. My allergies have been kicking my arse for the last couple weeks, so trying to get my body regulated, because next week is my son's graduation. We're gonna have family and stuff here and a cookout and whatnot, and I'm trying to get myself situated. So there's that. But thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you so very much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more tutorials using this palette, let me know. And I thank you so very much, and have a great day.